Hello and welcome to the Suzette Stitch Square, Part 9 of the Odyssey of Textures Blanket. For this blanket, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will loosely chain 28. For row 1, we will place a single crochet, then a double crochet into the second chain from hook. Both stitches are into the same chain. Skip the next chain. After the skip chain, you will place a single crochet, then a double crochet, both into the same chain. Repeat this down the row. Skip the next stitch. After the skip stitch, you will place a single crochet, then a double crochet. Repeat this pattern down the row until you have 2 chains left. Once you get to the end of the row and you have 2 chains left, place a single crochet into the last chain. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. Now, place a single crochet, then a double crochet in the next single crochet. Skip the next double crochet from the previous row. Then, place a single crochet and double crochet into the single crochet from the previous row. Skip the double crochet. Into the single crochet, place a single crochet and then a double crochet. Skip the next stitch, then place a single crochet, double crochet. Continue this down the row until you have 2 stitches left. When you get to the end of the row, you should have 2 stitches left. Place a single crochet into the last stitch. Repeat row 2 until your square measures approximately 7 inches. Once your square has reached 7 inches, it is time for the border. For the border, chain 1 and turn. After the turn, place 3 single crochets into the corner. Then, place 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat this around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. When you make it back around to the beginning corner, join with a slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. Then fasten off. The front of this square is when the beginning tail is on the bottom left corner. I like to mark my square by placing a slip of paper onto the front with a pin.